Hello and welcome to Open Market for SSQ. It came up with a scanner of 97.3. Let's go look at that setup. Okay, first let's go to the scanner. And there is the entire list that came up at 97 million. And the closest was 10. So that's almost a 9. That is almost a 9-to-1 right there. 9-to-1 difference. So that is our choice for the open market operation for stochastics uptrend. TLRY was our last candidate and it didn't make it. So this is our new one. And now let's go look at the trade setup. The trade setup is a call and it's entering here at 7.55 with a stop at 7.15. It's a 23 cents ATR, which is a one ballpark, but 2-to-1, I mean 2-to-3. So and also price to third ratio price has been here before. And you can see that the upper channel of the price channel has also shown that it's been here, that it's been this high before. Where are we at the 10-to-1? 10-to-1, yeah, 10-to-1 is, we have a good chance for 10-to-1 also. Remember, if price has been to a zone before, a price level before, it has no fear going there again. It's going into new territory where fear sets in. And then OTA, Online Trading Academy, suggests, and even excuse me, even Courtney Smith of Wealth Builder by First Headmaster says, if there's no price in that new zone, wait, let it sit it out, let it pull back, let it show itself. There's no rush to get into a trade, getting into new highs. It'll take care of itself. Now, on the other hand, in Jack Swagger's book, there are several pro traders in his books, several of his books, and he said, some of them says, have no fear, just do it. If everything falls into place and it's showing that price is going to go to a new high, and you have proper risk management and proper stops for the downside in case it doesn't, then do it. So I'm pretty much on that side of the camp. Fear is not taking a trade, and how many times are we taking very good trades with very good setups, and the market just does not respond the same way that we anticipated, and we have to get out. And that's what all risk management is all about. Something I wanted to point out to you too. Now this is stochastics uptrend, which means that the EMA, the 10 EMA, is in up direction, that the price closed above it, and it is in the up direction. So those are the criteria that we have here for this trade. And we have 1987 available for our trade. So that is really pretty much it for today. And going to be looking at the open market, and then we'll be doing scans and see what will join us on Monday's trading day. And with that, I thank you very much, and welcome SQQQ to the open market for stochastic strategy. And with that, I thank you very much, and take care. Bye-bye.